Hello, crochet enthusiasts! Today we're learning how to make a double crochet 3 together. This stitch creates a beautiful texture in your work. Let's get started. Begin by making a slip knot on your hook. Chain the desired number of stitches for your project. Yarn over and insert your hook into the third chain from the hook. Yarn over and pull through. You now have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. You now have 2 loops on your hook. This is an incomplete double crochet. Yarn over and insert your hook into the next stitch. You should now have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. You now have 3 loops on your hook. Once more, yarn over and insert your hook into the next stitch. Yarn over and pull up a loop. You now have 5 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. You should now have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through all 4 loops at once. You've completed a double crochet 3 together. I'll demonstrate this cluster stitch 2 more times. Watch closely as I repeat the process. Chain 2 and turn your work.